Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle, a binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, April 23rd, 2022. We have here two puzzles left. Tectonic, I've just solved the Sudoku with 3 stars, the Tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. And it's time for the binary puzzle. This will be number 4451. 4451. Before I start, let me count the boxes. I want to know what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Yes! Completed in 2 minutes. Wow. Without any comparing. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.